Hello, and welcome to this 10-minute restorative yoga for a calm nervous system, a fully supported practice designed to help your body slow down, release tension, and settle into deep relaxation. We will need 2 blocks. Let's begin by placing one block on a medium height in a vertical position on the mat, where your shoulder blades will rest. Then take a second block and place it horizontally on the lowest setting to support the back of your head. Sit in front of the blocks and carefully lower down. Once you feel stable, bring the soles of your feet together and allow your knees to open wide. Let your arms rest wherever feels natural, perhaps palms facing up. This gentle heart opening encourages the chest muscles to soften and allows the front body to expand without effort. Supported back bends like this can stimulate deeper breathing and help signal safety to the nervous system, inviting a parasympathetic response. Allow gravity to do the work. Notice the slow opening across the collarbones and the soft release through the hips. Stay here, breathing slowly, allowing the jaw to soften and the eyes to rest. When you're ready, gently release from the pose and come back up. We move now into supported child's pose. Take your blocks and stack or arrange them so your forehead can rest comfortably. You may use 1 or 2 blocks depending on your proportions. The goal is to feel fully supported so the neck does not need to hold any weight. Big toes are touching. Knees are wide or together. Your forehead is on the blocks, resting. Let your arms relax alongside the legs or forward. The gentle pressure of the forehead into support can be deeply calming for the nervous system, encouraging a sense of grounding and inward focus. Child's pose softly lengthens the back body, especially the muscles along the spine, helping release accumulated tension from the day. Allow the breath to widen the back ribs. Feel the body becoming heavier, more settled. Slowly rise up. Next, we move into restorative hip stretch. Come down onto your belly. Bend your right knee and open it out to the side at about a 90-degree angle. Adjust the leg so there is no strain in the knee or lower back. Stack your hands and rest your forehead on them so the neck can completely relax. Let the pelvis be heavy. This gentle position softly opens the inner thigh and hip area without forcing range. The passive nature of the pose allows deeper muscles around the hip joint to release gradually. When the muscles feel supported and not pushed, the nervous system is more willing to let go of holding patterns. Breathe slowly into the lower belly and notice any areas that begin to soften. When ready, slowly change sides, bringing the leg back in and opening the other knee out to the side at about 90 degrees. Rest the forehead on your hands again. Let the shoulders soften. Allow the breath to be slow and quiet. Hip opening in a supported way can help reduce unconscious gripping patterns connected to stress responses. Imagine the hips becoming heavy and spacious. When you're ready, gently come back to center. Now we prepare for Savasana. Place one block under each thigh on the lowest or medium height, wherever feels comfortable. The blocks should support the weight of the legs so the hip flexors can release and the lower back can settle more easily into the floor. Once you're lying down, take the time to adjust until you feel completely supported. Allow the feet to fall open, arms relaxed by your sides. When the legs are supported like this, the muscles along the front of the hips and thighs can soften, which often reduces subtle tension held in the lower spine. This sends a signal of safety to the nervous system, helping the body move toward rest and restoration. Let the breath be natural now. Nothing to change, nothing to fix. Feel the body held by the ground, supported, safe, calm. Rest here. Breathe. And when you feel ready to come out, begin by gently moving fingers and toes, stretching your body, rolling up into a comfortable seat. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. It was such a pleasure having you with me. Namaste.